Travis here at Chaparral Motorsports, and I've been waiting to stop at this booth all week. It's the Pro Taper booth, and we're here with Paul, and we get to introduce the brand new clamp-on grips that Pro Taper has to offer.
Man, this feels like a real grip. I can win with these.
Now, tell us what's different about your clamp-on grips versus, others on the market.
Yeah, so we wanted to get into this for a little while now, and it's been in development for a very long time because we really wanted to do something different compared to what our competitors are doing. So a big thing that we focused and concentrated on was the outer diameter of our grip. We wanted to make sure ours was very small. I thought the competition is a bit too large, and that can lead to hand fatigue and arm pump. So we paid a lot of attention to the outer diameter of our grip, and we were able to keep it really small and keep it slim. So this kind of really feels like a normal glue-on installed grip. So another cool feature of ours separating us from the competition is what we're calling our exclusive windowed core. So as you can see here, I can squeeze the core of this grip, the top and the bottom, because we have windows cut in our in our base on the top and the bottom, right where your palm and your fingertips reside. So what this has done is reduce a lot more vibration, helps on those big impacts and jumps and riding from the bumps and whatnot. So again, our goal was to make this act and feel like a real grip, because I feel there is a big difference between a grip of this nature that you just quickly install by tightening a bolt compared to a traditional glue-on grip. So we really wanted ours to perform like a normal one, and we think we've achieved it with what we've done with our core and our outer diameter. So another big feature of ours, the third kind of difference, is the amount of cams that come with ours and the amount of SKUs that we offer for the dealer. So our competition typically is offering a 2-stroke and a 4-stroke SKU. With ours, it's 1 SKU, and you can satisfy all the same customers, all the same motorcycles with one package. So that's less for the dealer to stock, less money for the dealer to have invested, and also we take up less shelf space. So
What types of patterns are you going to have up top as far as the grip? Diamond, full waffle, half waffle. What do you have to offer for the clamp-on grips?
Yeah, so we went with our 3 most popular patterns with our other Pro Taper grips, and that's pillow top, half waffle, and full diamond. But we've also given them a lot of unique and new kind of graphic updates, I guess you can say. These are a more modern grip style, because this is a grip for 2018. Well, we wanted it to look that way. So again, much more updated. They all kind of have this similar end cap design. They're all a dual durometer grip, so we have a firmer durometer in the flange and the end cap, and a very soft durometer in the handhold area for comfort. But yet the end caps and the flange are stiffer for wear and tear and crash damage. So multiple different colors, a bunch of neon colors. I believe we have 39 SKUs in total. So yeah, head to Chaparral and check them out.
Hey guys, you saw it first here. The all-new Pro Taper clamp-on grip. Doesn't matter what tread pattern you like. If it's a diamond, a half waffle, a pillow top, they offer it here. The only downfall to a clamp-on grip is if you currently run a specific, like the Bearing Pro Taper throttle tube. If you're into that throttle tube more than you are these clamp-on grips, then you're just going to still have to run a traditional grip. But if you want to make grip changing easy, then looks like you're going to move to the clamp-on grip, because it's almost maybe a minute within changing.
Yeah, pretty quick on and off, obviously, and you get a new throttle tube every time, basically. So you're installing a throttle tube on the right side, and on the left side, you're just tightening a bolt, and you're good to go. No slipping, no glue, nothing to worry about. So it's all about riding after that.
Right on, guys. Head to chatmoto.com, pick a couple colors out for yourself, and we're on to the next one.